Hey guys, in this video, we are going to take a look at the Pixel launcher from Android 9.0 P developer preview. So without wasting more time, let's start. So guys, the Android P launcher is exactly same like the Oreo with some changes. So at the top we get the at a glance, we can see the date, the day and the weather info. So now at the bottom we get those apps, the app dock and the search bar, but we can see a transparent background covering the dock. So yeah, that is something new. Let's move to the app drawer. You can see at the top we get the search apps, then the most recent use apps, and all of my apps here struggling down here. You can see we get a bounce effect. I don't know if you guys can see, we get a bounce effect here. You can see this bounce effect. So yeah, it looks something like different and cool. Then we move, like, let me zoom in and tell you that in the app drawer background we see this wallpaper widgets and things, but it doesn't get it clicked. So it's just something maybe in Android P or something, I don't know. But on the ported APK which we can install on our devices, it's there. But see, it doesn't matter that much because over the apps and also the background is background white, so we don't get it easily like what this is. So yeah, it's not noticeable. Let's go into the home settings now, and we get the notification dots, at a glance, icons to home, display Google app, display app suggestions, allow home screen rotation. So to allow it, you just need to turn on the auto rotate, and you can see you can allow it. Change icon shape, and now I have rounded square icons. I can change it to teardrop too. So you can see now my icons have been changed to teardrop. You can see, and drawer also some icons have adopted the teardrop thing. And also let me show you the rotation which works. So yes, rotation also works. You can see this is how to operate in a rotated way. So guys, this is how the Android P launcher looks, and if you want any other videos on Android P, you can just comment down below, and you also comment the feedback about this video. And guys, that's it for the video. Just goodbye. You can like, dislike, subscribe if you want. Goodbye guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.